Have you ever caught a man staring at you and felt unsure about how to react? It can be both flattering and a little intimidating at the same time. You might even wonder if you're reading too much into his gaze. But sometimes, the way we respond to these moments can make all the difference in how the interaction unfolds. It can be tricky to navigate these situations, but don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to reveal 5 things you absolutely shouldn't do when a man stares at you to ensure you handle the moment with confidence and grace. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of these crucial tips. Welcome to Heart Whisperer, your go-to spot for empowering relationship advice. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Number 1. Don't shy away from eye contact. Exude confidence. Picture this. You're sipping coffee at your favorite cafe or strolling down the sidewalk, and you notice a man glancing your way. Naturally, you might feel a flutter of nerves or uncertainty, and your first instinct could be to avert your gaze. But here's the catch. Dodging eye contact might send unintended signals. When you look away, you could unintentionally appear disinterested, shy, or even insecure. All traits you might want to avoid when aiming to connect. In reality, many men find it difficult to muster the courage to show their interest. By avoiding eye contact, you might be unintentionally discouraging him without even realizing it. Instead, try holding his gaze for a few seconds and accompany it with a genuine warm smile. This simple gesture speaks volumes, conveying confidence, openness, and approachability. It's like saying, "I see you, and I'm open to connecting." Did you know that eye contact has been scientifically shown to foster stronger emotional bonds? Studies reveal that prolonged eye contact can lead to deeper feelings of connection between people. So next time a man catches your eye, don't let shyness take over. Embrace the moment, hold his gaze, and let your inner confidence shine through. Number 2. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. Be authentic and relatable. Instead, focus on being genuine and relatable. Confidence doesn't mean being flawless. It means being comfortable in your own skin. When you combine confidence with humility, you create a magnetic presence that's both attractive and approachable. For example, rather than attempting to impress him with clever remarks or a too cool to care attitude, simply be yourself. Show interest in him as a person. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and let the conversation flow naturally. Remember, real confidence isn't about proving your worth to others. It's about knowing your worth and letting that shine through in your interactions. Number 3. Don't rush the interaction. Let it unfold naturally. In moments of heightened interest, it's easy to feel the urge to rush things. You might want to dive into deep conversations or immediately suggest exchanging contact information. However, pushing too hard too soon can overwhelm the other person and create unnecessary pressure. Instead, allow the interaction to develop organically. Start with light, casual conversation and let topics flow naturally. Show genuine interest by asking open-ended questions and actively listening to his responses. By giving the interaction time to breathe, you create a comfortable space where both of you can connect more authentically. Patience can lead to more meaningful and lasting connections. Number 4. Don't ignore your instincts. Trust your gut feeling. Your intuition is a powerful tool when it comes to social interactions. If something doesn't feel right, or if you sense that the interest isn't mutual, it's important to honor those feelings. Ignoring your instincts can lead to uncomfortable situations or connections that aren't beneficial for you. Instead of dismissing those gut feelings, pay attention to them. If you feel uneasy, it's perfectly okay to gracefully exit the situation. Prioritizing your comfort and well-being ensures that any connections you pursue are based on mutual respect and genuine interest. Trusting yourself is a key aspect of building confident and healthy relationships. Number 5. Don't overanalyze or hesitate. Take the leap. Have you ever caught yourself overthinking a situation to the point where you feel stuck? It's easy to let your thoughts spiral. Does he really like me? What if I say something wrong? Should I approach him now or wait? Overanalyzing like this can hold you back, making you appear hesitant or unsure of yourself. Hesitation is a major barrier to forming meaningful connections. If you pause too long or second-guess yourself, you might miss the chance altogether. Worse yet, the man staring at you might interpret your hesitation as a lack of interest and decide to step back. Here's a little secret. Men often feel just as nervous as you do. They watch your reactions closely to determine if it's safe to approach. When you overthink or hesitate, you're inadvertently sending mixed signals that can confuse or deter him. So, what should you do instead? Take a deep breath and stay present. If you feel a spark of interest, acknowledge it with a small but confident action. For instance, you could walk over and say something like, "Hi, I noticed you looking my way. Do we know each other?" If that feels too forward, a friendly smile and relaxed body language can work wonders. Remember, connection doesn't require grand gestures. Often it's the small, genuine interactions that make the biggest impact. Bonus tip: pay attention to his body language. While his stare is what initially caught your attention, it's important to observe his body language as well. Body language often communicates more than words ever could. Is he leaning slightly toward you? Are his shoulders relaxed? Does he seem nervous or eager? These subtle cues can provide deeper insight into his feelings and intentions. Similarly, your own body language plays a crucial role in how he's perceiving you. By keeping your posture open and relaxed, you signal that you're approachable and interested. Small actions like uncrossing your arms, tilting your head slightly, or mirroring his gestures can foster a sense of connection and make the interaction feel more natural. When a man stares at you, it's more than just a fleeting glance. It's an opportunity. How you respond can determine whether that moment becomes just a passing memory or the start of something special. By embracing these tips, you'll not only navigate these moments with grace, but also build your confidence and create stronger connections in the process. And one last thing, always remember that you're incredible just as you are. Whether or not this particular moment leads to something more, it's an opportunity to celebrate your confidence, your uniqueness, and your ability to connect with others. So go out there, hold your head high, and let the world see the amazing person you are.